Impulse projects towards true collaborative robotics. Typical robot systems are complex to program. We have developed a new way to interact with collaborative robots more intuitively. A user can now teach tasks to robots using the same language and gestures that we use to teach a colleague. Where can this technology be used? For example, in daily water bringing service. This task needs to be done in elderly care homes. Hydration is a central point on staying healthy. That's why nurses are distributing drinks to the inhabitants of elderly care homes every hour. Cups are filled in the kitchen with water, placed on a tablet, and inhabitants are visited in their rooms. Each inhabitant gets 1 cup with water. For such a task, collaboration with humans to understand naturally formulated tasks, recognition of the environment, and performing physical interactions are essential components. Our goal is to make robot programming so simple that a nurse is able to do it. Water bringing is divided in 5 steps. Step 1. Loading and command Leo. Step 2. Drive to the floor dweller. Step 3. Recognize right person. Step 4. Leo picks drink. Step 5. Leo hands over the drink. Step 1. Loading and command Leo. The nurse puts a drink in the tray of Leo and gives Leo the order to bring a drink to Mr. Smith, one floor dweller.
Hello Leo. Can you please bring the water to Mr. Smith?
I'm going to bring water to Mr. Smith.
Thanks.
Step 2. Drive to the floor dweller. Leo autonomously drives to Mr. Smith's usual place using a navigation map and obstacle avoidance sensors. Step 3. Recognize right person. Leo uses the front camera and body pose function to determine any person's position in the room. A person sitting on the couch is detected and Leo moves in front of this person. With face recognition module, Leo identifies. The person on the couch is not Mr. Smith. Leo determines with body pose function the position of another person in the room and moves to this person. With face recognition, Leo identifies Mr. Smith.
Oh, hi, Mr. Smith. Can I hand the water over to you, Mr. Smith?
Mr. Smith gives the thumbs up and Leo recognizes the hand and the gesture Mr. Smith is doing. Step 4. Leo picks drink. In follow-up, Leo fetches the drink from the back tray. Step 5. Leo hand over drink. Mr. Smith grabs the cup. Leo recognizes a grabbing gesture and opens the gripper. Mr. Smith holds the cup in his hand. The architecture developed is very intuitive. People with no experience in robotics can teach the robot a task. The architecture is generic and can be used in different tasks and with different robots. Take a look at all our videos to see how the same architecture is used to sort components, to empty a dishwasher, and to bring drinks to people.